Hi, it's Heidi again, and we are here with Nate from New Tech Machinery. Nate, thank you for coming and visiting us at our booth.
Yeah, no problem.
Nate, I would love for you to take a moment and introduce yourself, tell us a little bit about yourself, and also about New Tech, so that, because I'm not sure everyone always knows that you have so many interesting, amazing pieces of equipment and technology that you're working on. So, but first of all, start with just an introduction.
Okay. Hi, my name is Nate Roston. I am with New Tech Machinery, but I've been in this business for about 35 years.
Wow.
I'd been a customer of New Tech through a company called Englert for about 20 years,
I know Englert.
or about 15
Yeah.
years, and then I've been working with New Tech for just a little over 4 years now.
Wow. Okay, for those few that may not know, because I'm hoping everybody does, but what is New Tech?
New Tech is we specialize in job site roll forming of pan formers for standing seam metal roofing. We do a little bit of gutter machines. That's where we made our mark over the years. Gutter machines, panel machine. Like you'll still see our original machines out there running panels to this day.
Yeah.
But that's what we have here at the show. Cool thing is our unique control system, which still runs our standard pan former that we've been running for over 30 years, but it's based on safety, customer safety. That's the biggest important draw that we get from this controller. It's got a interlocking cover system where it disables the machine in the automatic mode if the customer removes the covers.
That is so important, and also just the opportunity for contractors to be able to add this to their business. And to get the training that they need from you, and to be able to put all that together. You provide huge amounts of training, right?
Yes, we do the training. Mostly with new machines, we'll do training at our shop. Customer come pick it up, and we'll do the training there. But we also offer training at the customer facility, and that's kind of what I specialize in, is being able to come in and demonstrate to the customer. Even if it's an older machine, we bring everything back up to spec and back to factory settings, get the panels running good, show them how to run the machine safely and effectively, and then even some of the other manufacturers' equipment that some of us have experience with, we'll go into the folders, the benders, the electric seamers, whatever it may be, any type of architectural sheet metal fabricating equipment.
That we see actually your machines for sale on our classifieds on RoofersCoffeeShop, and those are the type that when your machines come onto the classifieds, they're gone within days. I mean, it's always that is a hot market because people want to try to find them, and there's or they're going out of business, or they're going to sell them. But to know that you'll come in, excuse me, that you'll come in and kind of restore them, basically, is what you're saying.
Oh yeah,
that's a huge value.
Yeah, we'll put in as much work as the customer wants to put into it. We'll show them how to, and that's part of the training too, is not only for the operators, but some of the maintenance personnel that they have. We'll show them how to care for the machine and do maintenance and even repairs and whatnot.
Yeah, wow. And then you guys have seen huge growth. I've known Haley for a number of years, who you work with, and I've just watched her, and I've watched the company. And then just recently, you had an open house of a whole new facility.
Yes, we just opened up last spring. We moved into a new facility, and it's been great. It's great part of town, is close to my house.
Oh, that's nice.
But we had our 30th year, and a lot of the former employees came in and enjoyed the place, and we toured around with some of our vendors and customers and everybody. It was really nice.
That's really cool. Well, our Roofers Coffee Shop team was there, and they were doing video, and then you met them.
That's where we met.
They're on the other side of the camera right now.
Hi there.
But we love Denver. I love Denver because Megan and Colin live in Denver. So anytime I can get an excuse to go to Denver, I do.
Awesome.
That's just how it is. So with this facility, that means that not only do you have more room for production and everything else, but do you have a whole new training center in there too?
Well, actually, we were just going over the possibility of moving our service and our engineering to a different facility, which is going to be really close by, within walking distance, so that we can have possibly a showroom, but more of a training facility for repairs and service, and give us a little bit more room to stretch out. And the growth that we've seen, we're almost at a point now where we've nearly outgrown the new building that we just moved
that you
into.
just moved into. I've heard that so much. Well, one final question as we're kind of going through this, but what do you see with the growth and the future of metal roofing? It seems exponential to me right now.
Well, it is. As customers begin to realize that metal roofing is the future. You know, you see in Florida and Texas and California a lot of metal roofing, but I've noticed that the Northwest is really starting to grow, and a lot of that metal roofing is going up there. I mean, I'd say probably 25% of our machines are going in that region.
Really, to the Pacific Northwest?
Yes.
I love that because, I mean, with all the mountains and the rain, and plus, even though Oregon and Washington are known for the rain, we still have a lot of solar going in too. So, the metal roof is what we just talked to Rob Haddock. He was just here. You saw him.
That. Tough act to follow.
I know. He's a great guy. And we were just talking about that how much the need there is for roofs that will last longer than the solar panels that are on there.
That's what we have.
Well, good. Well, thank you. Thank you for all you do. Thank you for what you guys give to the industry. I love working with you. You can find everything about New Tech on Roofers Coffee Shop in their directory. Plus, we have articles, videos, and we have some really cool video from the grand opening that we took there, so you can kind of see this facility that Nate is talking about.
Nice.
Nate, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.